For those Jamaicans who are living in the Merrimaca, you know what it is like to be at work and live at work and don't go home some of the time because you want to work to make all ends meet. And sometimes to do that is just to take a living job where you can save your money. Sometimes you can't get the food where you want to eat, especially the Jamaican food. So you have to send to the restaurant, the Jamaican restaurant, if it's near you, because some of we working at some bush. When no Jamaican restaurant no there, and where Uber Eats now go. So I am here to share a little of that with you. Sometimes the Merrimaca not easy, and when you work in a facility like myself, yeah, hey, you can cook, yeah. We bundle your people in facility because here have 3 floors. So you order your little food from the kitchen. Sometime when the food come, you no want them the food there because you are Jamaican. You like to see your yam, banana, dumpling, and rice and peas in the plate, and when you can't see that, you come like you no eat no dinner, and sometimes you no want the rare. You just want your Jamaican food. So here, I'm gonna show you. I bought some Jamaican food that I'll have to serve me until I go home next week. Next weekend, me are gonna yam a little. But first, let me wash my hands before. I'm gonna wash my hands before I even touch the food. So here I am. Make sure now. Here I am gonna wash my hands. Yes. And not everybody know how to wash hand good, you know. Not everybody know how to wash hand good. You wash your hand like so. And then you sew. And then you sew. And then you sew. Let me sleeve here. Then you sew. And then you put your hand under the water. Yes. And then you take paper towel. And then you dry your hand. And then you trash in the garbage over here, so when me ever press me food, press up the garbage. Yes, I'm back. And then if my hand not properly dry, me dry me hand again and dry me hand again. And then me trash this again. And then I come back and then I get the dry paper towel because the pipe is still running. Get the dry paper towel and turn off the pipe. Yes. Still turn off the pipe. Okay, and I trash this again. Here I'm back. First, I'm gonna show you. It's over here, so look what I got. It's carrot juice with lemon and a little ginger. Ooh, la. Then you go bust the bag here. I'm going to show you a little of Jamaican food. Boy, look here. Look here. This name, you know what this name? Festival That's for one morning breakfast. Back foot, fried dumpling. That's for one morning breakfast. Back foot. You want more Jamaican food? This name fritters. Look. Fritters. Saltfish fritters. When your mother used to cook the saltfish fritters, you know, man. You know me not really want them here, but me buy them just to show you a little taste of Jamaica. This one, Jamaican, foreign, and abroad. And Jamaica love oxtail. Look how it pretty. Look here. I'm not gonna touch the food because me touch the bag. I mean, I don't know who hold up the bag. COVID I keep right here now. COVID is keeping. You see this here? Brown stew chicken. So I have four dinner out of this. I don't know about the fried food them. Because I years me not eat fried food. So little cholesterol have to go raise up. So look here. Look here. Oh no, look here. Look here. Look here. Oh, me stay. Oh, me stay. Me I go eat if good before good food waste. Me I go make belly bust. My stomach is small. So very little I'm gonna eat out of them food there, you know. Me nah eat all of them. I'm gonna trash this in the garbage now. Because you know this have to go put in the fridge. Or the freezer. And then me hot up little and heat. Or me put it in a container. What wanna say? Wanna love Jamaican food? You see, because me I go reach for the brown stew chicken. No man. Me I go eat the oxtail. Eat little of the oxtail. So oxtail I go do it. So me I go wash me hand again. Because me no know who angle them here. Me no know if they unclean because COVID is keeping. Alright. Me go wash me hand again, you know. Ooh. COVID a keep. As the winter come up, the COVID a spread up in the place. Them have one restaurant in a Fairfield, Connecticut. Them cook sweet, you see. Me no know how the man take off his shoes barefoot and step in the rice and peas so. And every meeting cooking just step in the food like so. If you're in a Connecticut and you want a good eating meal, try go a Family Flames where man take off his shoes and step in the food barefoot. Yes. In taking food, take off his shoes and his socks and just step in the food barefoot. Whole people ever saying, say, if Ninyaman or something, you hear the whole people saying, picnic. I don't want to picnic over here now. I share for them salting different. So when picnic go come over here, picnic, food no salting share different. That mean, I don't want to picnic over here. Because no picnic, something no over here. I'll do on my channel is a clean channel. Picnic. You don't have to go sit down and carry a big people argument. Food no salting share differently. In this place here, you have to bounce it loud like you want Jamaican. Because in this room and a chair and table for me sit down around. So I sit down on the sofa. I sit down there. And this is my eating station. So you have to take shift and make shot. As me see the food, my belly full. As me see the food, my belly full. If Ninyam wasn't something, After Christmas, I'm going on a weight loss journey for the new year. Me can't tell us there. Me I go tap eat meat. Because Wooly we say we are going to tap do something. We are going to gym go exercise. And you see as it make like new year, you forget everything when you plan on the chart for them. So me now make no resolution. Me I make it in my head. You know some steamed fish me did want. But them at me say fish not ready. I'm not a big meat person, you know. Maybe eat a little. Not too much. When my father used to fry them dumpling, you know, man. And then when we see how smoking that dumpling, we so glad and happy because me call it oily jacket. And me tell my father, say, oily jacket dumpling them if I fry. But no, me never know say it was a bad thing. I never knew it was something bad. Because things we would have known then, and we know now, we wouldn't even do it. But guess what? Me I got taste a piece of that fried dumpling, yeah. But first, me have to draw the paper towel. Please like my video. Please subscribe. Me just a taste piece. When me I eat fried dumpling, me just eat the skin. Me not interested in the omega. Me not interested in the omega. If you do what who can fry dumpling good, I want to tell you one secret to fry the dumpling. Take care. Bye. Me I go sit down and eat my food. And do me 32 chews. Bye. Catch you. Please like the video. Please share up the video. Thank you. Subscribe. As a young girl growing up, going to school, me did have my book of love verse. And other young ladies had their book with them love verse. First, you would see the love verse book. Roses are red, violets are blue. Sugar is sweet, but not as sweet as you. But my favorite love verse was, my love for you will break a bulldog's chain. That time we are young people, you know, man, we say we in love. We don't know nothing about where them picnic nowadays are galangins with. But we have a book with a love verse. You ever hear when a Jamaican man a lyrics a woman? Girl, your skin smooth. Your beard in a supplement. You're the ackee in a me saltfish. You're sweet like mango in a summertime. You're the milk in a me carrot juice. Me would take care of you, you know. So later me can squeeze you. Me can squeeze you across the fence. Come talk to you. No, my parents will beat me. My mother say when me see man, me fi run. And me can't left the yard, you know. Can't left out of the yard, because me the only girl pick me in the yard, me can't left. Next thing again, you couldn't share toys. If me ever care home a dolly, and my mother see me with it, she'll walk me straight back for go give people back them dolly. I breed you want come breed for me, yeah? A nurse you want in a yard, a nurse baby. Eh? And you have them other little one you have to look after ya. Carry back. My mother never believed in buying a doll for me for no time at all. Because she said she not teach me if you go get baby. So me not supposed to have no fake baby. I feed and I change baby clothes. Because I will have it in my intention to go get pregnant and go get baby and nurse baby. But at the same time, I have to look after my sibling. Me know how to change nappy for that tender age. Know how to feed baby, boil a baby porridge, wash a baby clothes. And yet still, she never want buy no dolly give me. When me see everybody with them dolly at Christmas time, me couldn't have one. Ring game was my thing. Baseball. Bat up and catch. Most time, young people never used to like wash plate, you know. No. My mother used to say, you think you're turning a ton of white woman? Go and go wash your plate them. And when we clean house now, caca fart. Sweep out on thy bed. And you know what me used to eat? Every morning you have to go out with the piss pot. If I know enamel chimney, or the plastic one. And night, you have to wash out the chimney, you know. And at night time, you know, you have to carry back the piss pot there and put it on thy bed. And anytime, for example, my mother would have wake up in the night and I look for a chimney and can't find a chimney. And you say chimney out the door. And one piece of hell and powder house in the house there that the night there. When she get up and want to use the chimney and the chimney out the door. Them days, there was some days. Me grew up in the age where I could recall one person who had a television. And my mother never have any fridge at the time. And send me go down at the lady go buy ice. When me go down at the lady go buy ice, you know, me I eat my dinner down at the lady, you know. Because my sister granny. So me I eat my dinner down there. And after me eat my dinner, me go up in a truck, you know, man. Me I look through the window because me I look on TV. You know me I go and go eat my nice dinner. Me drink my carrot juice or my sour sap juice. And my rice and peas because them the time them go Sunday you could have get the best, you know, man. The Sunday best. The rice and peas. And my mother used to cook food on the side, you know. And then it's short for my father dinner first. So you have a plate with the banana, you have a plate with the vegetable, and you have a plate with the rice, and you have a plate with the meat. So she share it, put it on table and knife and fork and thing, you know, man. And in jug with the ice, with the drinks, and in glass with the ice. Well proper. Then the children then get after, because the man are the king of the house, you know, the king of the castle, you know. So him get him food first. So sometime my father, you know, would have eat and left little for my mother. So she always glad for eat little and eat and left. That's the little love part, the love connection with them have. Eat and left little food and you give your wife it. We nowadays, we eat and put in each other mouth or take out from each other plate. But that's how them used to do it. Them time there. But in a them day, them, I don't know if they never have enough birth control. But you see, as a man hang up in pants, a woman get pregnant. So you used to have people in the community, every year they have a picnic. Every year. So they have sometimes it looks so close like a heavy 6 month. Ask if them them old people, growing up never fast. You wouldn't want make them old people they see you. You see if they see you attack to one man or one boy. Oh, you don't know for that. I miss you down there a court. And they go tell your parents. And you get a piece of whooping. Because as you talk to somebody, a quoting. Nowadays we call it courting. But at that time, courtship. At that time they say quoting. There were a lot of words that they used in the old days. And nowadays, I realize, say, my mother could read. And my mother was a very intelligent lady. Although she didn't go far in her school, very intelligent. I remember somebody asked her a question. Why you don't come to Bermuda? I don't have any connection, ma'am. I don't have any connection. Then I pick me, I don't understand what she had tried to say. And she used to say, this nose in your bone. You ever hear old people say this nose in your bone? This nose? It's called synovial fluid. It's a medical term called synovial fluid. So a lot of things they used to call certain name. When I grow older, them never end up call it the right name. Never end up call it the right name. Playing was our thing. Them your picnic nowadays not have fun. Playing was our thing. When we saw a friend, play, ram from morning till evening. When you even come, you're dirty like a bus. And even if you're beard already, before you go your bed, you have to go wash your foot. And when you wash your foot and jump in your bed, you have to say your prayers. And when you say your prayers and mama think you're gone in your bed, you run the attack. And when they hear you, if in a mind shop, you get beaten. Boy, them the days it is nice. I would like to be a child again. But them you picking nowadays we are grow. A big woman and big man them. Big woman you can't talk to them. Then trace off your clothes off of you. Please like up the video. Share up the video. And as the thought come to mind, I write my script. And I'm talking from way back down to memory lane. Come on. Please help me. Please help me. Please lift me up to 1,000 subscribers. Please, I ask of you. I'm counting on you. I'm counting on all the diaspora. Not only Jamaicans. I'm here for all of you. Regardless of your color, your race. I'm here for you. Regardless of the country that you're from. Come make we talk Jamaican. Come, bring your book. Bring your pen. Bring your pencil. Come make we talk Jamaican. Come make we walk Jamaican. Come make we sing Jamaican. Come right yaso. Yaso we there. Yaso we are sit down. Right pan the stone. Thank you for watching.